afternoon. Students, please be seated. I'm Dr. McCary McCauley, the Director of the School of Nursing. It is my pleasure to welcome all of our nursing students, along with family and friends, nursing faculty, staff, clinical agencies, and preceptors to the 2022 Honors Convocation. I would like to welcome Dean Steve Hooker and Associate Dean Sonia Pruitt from the College of Health and Human Services. Dr. Hooker, I would like to invite you up to the microphone to get us started off.
I got my swag. Yes. Love it. Welcome to all the students, but also to all those that are here to support them today. Family, friends, just excited to see you. Boy, it's great to be in person. Not wearing facial coverings, feeling confident and comfortable with that. So welcome to everybody. It's wonderful to have you here. This class of students may or may not remember, I believe I addressed you during your white coat ceremony. Do you even remember that? I mean, really, it's been a while, hasn't it? And I shared with you, and I'd like to share with the folks here in the audience with us today, my personal admiration and excitement for you to enter into the profession of nursing. And my personal connection is through my late wife, Cindy. And when we moved here in May of 2018, 4 years ago, she was sitting at home, the home we had bought. There was nothing in the house. She was waiting for the movers to show up with all of our belongings, and she was sitting in there in a little beach chair I bought her at CVS Pharmacy. That was the only thing in the house. She had some papers on the floor, and when she got up to walk to another part of the house, she stepped on a piece of paper and slipped and fell, and she broke her hip. It was hurt. She crawled to her cell phone, called 911, got taken to Sharp Grossmont Hospital, and then I got a call. I was here on campus to go and be there with her. And again, we had just moved to the area, literally. And I get to the ER. They escort me back to the room that she's in, had undergone some assessments, and then we were waiting for more. And the nurse walked in, and the first nurse that I run into in San Diego was an alum of our program. And I was so excited, and I felt very comfortable and confident that I could trust this person with my wife's care. Fast forward a little bit, my wife had recurring health problems over the next 3 to 3.5 years. We were in and out of hospital settings, in and out of acute care, home health care. And everywhere I went, I ran into alum of our nursing program at Sharp Grossmont Hospital, the transition facilities, the home health care nurses, and also students from our PT program, graduates also, students and graduates from our social work school in our college. It was just amazing. And I was so impressed that after she passed away, I met with my family, and we set up an endowed scholarship in her name, and we provide a scholarship every year to a School of Nursing student. Thank you. And the reason I mention this is because I want these students and those that are with you here today to know that you will make a difference in people's lives. And not just the lives of your patients or your clients, but of their families and those that love them. So nursing is a serious profession, but it's a fulfilling profession, and I look forward to what you're going to be able to do to make a difference in people's lives. 2 nights ago, I met with the CEO of Sharp, had dinner with him and his wife, and he told me of the need for more nurses. In a couple weeks, I'm meeting with the CEO and leadership of Scripps. They're also in need of nurses. Go to their job websites daily. As you're preparing for and pass the NCLEX, remember those two, if not many others. There's a need out there. And I know that our students who have been so well prepared by our faculty and staff who are awesome, let's give them a round of applause. But with that preparation and your character of wanting to help people is going to carry you far in your profession. And never doubt that what you're doing is making a difference, even if it doesn't seem like that's being relayed to you personally, because you will be. Again, congratulations. I am just in such big admiration of you, and I wish you the very best in the future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dean Hooker, and the School of Nursing appreciates you and your ongoing support of our programs and students. I would like to offer a few words of wisdom as you embark on your new journey. I've been a nurse for 42 years, and as nurses, advanced practice nurses, and nurse leaders. First of all, and most importantly, delicately nurture the uniqueness of your calling and role as a nurse by humbling yourself to deeply reflect and understand your calling as nurses and how human connection through the spirit of caring and the art of our practice contributes to healing. Your words and actions are incredibly powerful. Each of you will, or already have, felt the emotional toll of our profession and need to make sure we care for ourselves and each other. Self-care, physical and mental, is essential, so you have the capacity to gracefully give that lending hand, supportive voice, reassuring smile, and occasional or often tear to those we care for. You have been given an incredible blessing of caring for people in the most vulnerable times of living and dying. The education you have received will guide you to care for others with grace, skill, knowledge, humility, and compassion. I promise you, the rewards of your new profession will be returned tenfold by making a difference in somebody's life every day, not only at work, but in everyday life. Because as you know by now, nurses are never off duty. The new way of being and the art of our practice is incredibly powerful and rewarding all at the same time. Secondly, I know each of you are also here today and have really needed those family, friends, mentors, colleagues, faculty members, or anyone who has inspired you to advance your education, somebody who really, truly believed in you. Students, please stand and take this opportunity, whoever that person is on this very special day, and applaud them and thank them, whoever they might be. It's time to do it now. Thank you. So you have relied on these support systems to get you through school, but to all the family and friends out there, don't think it's over yet. These nurses will still need you after very long shifts, tough days, tough patients, and share the joys of their new profession with you. Now it's time to take the support and education you have received at San Diego State and pay it forward to others, especially in our own profession. Be gentle with each other. Speak up and have a voice, because what you have to say is important. Think innovatively. Challenge the status quo. Be curious. Lead by example. And now it's your turn to inspire others to consider the nursing profession. Lastly, nourish your calling and commit to lifelong learning. Continue your education. Come back. Get involved as alumni. Precept our students. Support our school. Contribute to the next generation of nurses who will be instrumental in strengthening our profession and the nursing workforce, especially now after the pandemic. It's now time to flourish and expand the work that you have done here, impacting more lives locally and globally. You will all go in different directions, yet your roots remain as one. The foundation of your education is right here, these faculty members and this institution. San Diego State School of Nursing is growing, and we're moving in a direction of excellence in promoting nursing, advanced practice, nurse leaders, and research. Be leaders, get involved, and have a voice to advance our profession, to be true change agents and advocates of safe, competent patient care. I would also like to recognize our amazing School of Nursing faculty who have tirelessly worked to convert your education over the last 2 years and have devoted numerous hours of mentoring and fostering your education. Great. The School of Nursing has an incredible staff. For those of you, Elena, Rusty, Ron, Peter, everyone who has contributed to your education and putting on this amazing event, thank you for your hard work. This is not easy, and we want to make sure that every single moment of today is very special for each and every one of you. It is with immense and deep heartfelt joy that I congratulate you all on a job very well done in unprecedented times. Be proud. You have traveled a very difficult road and accomplished the dream that you set out to do. Some of the students here today will be recognized with special awards, awards they earned by distinguishing themselves in various ways as they pursued their nursing education. All of the students graduating with bachelor's degrees will be pinned by an individual who has made a difference somehow in these graduates' lives. Pinning is a time-honored tradition, got my pin on today, in nursing, and the San Diego State pin has been worn proud of our graduates for almost 70 years. Master's degree graduates will be presented with their master's hoods. Before we proceed with awarding honors and pins or hoods to graduates, I would like to introduce Dr. Beverly Carlson, the School of Nursing faculty member.
I was going to try to get through this without crying, but this is, that's probably not going to happen. And for those of you who are wondering, so I have been a nurse 50 years this next month, and and I've been teaching at San Diego State this very course that I'll talk about for 22 years. And this went away, okay. So these students are my last class. Okay, we're all on the same page. So if my voice breaks, then you understand. Thank you, Dr. McCauley, and thank you, students, for asking me to speak on your behalf. So now the tables have turned, and it's my job to live up to your expectations instead of you living up to mine. But I will start by directing my words to the invited guests of our graduating students. It's important to these graduates, their family, that you, their families and friends, understand what today's ceremony is about and why it holds such a special place in their hearts. As Dr. McCauley said, pinning is a time-honored tradition, a rite of passage for graduating nurses that dates back to the 19th century. The nursing pin is a symbol of professional status, and pinning marks the beginning of a career that demands a unique blend of science and caring, a career of compassion and respect, and a historic promise to serve others. Unfortunately, many people have no comprehension of what nursing really is, what nurses actually do, unless the quality of their life or their life itself has been affected or even saved by one. So I'd like to explain to you what it is they will do as professional nurses and what they have learned to do over the last 4 years. Nursing is a scientific process. Using a considerable body of knowledge and skill, nurses perform what we refer to as the nursing process. First, we assess physical, functional, social, and psychological health and well-being of people of all ages, of communities, or even whole populations. We use a variety of skills, tests, procedures, and equipment to perform this assessment, and we evaluate both internal and external factors known to affect health: environmental, social, behavioral, financial, and genetic. We then diagnose needs, problems, risks, and vulnerabilities based on that assessment. Third, we plan, prescribe, coordinate, and provide interventions to address the needs and problems diagnosed. These interventions may include everything from teaching a patient with diabetes how to control his blood sugar, to counseling a teen in psychiatric crisis, to regulating life-saving medications in the intensive care unit, to designing a community-wide initiative to help manage a pandemic. A major aspect of this step is setting individualized and specific goals and outcomes to be achieved. These might include pain relief after major surgery, the ability to perform activities of daily living in spite of a major disability, achievement of lifestyle changes to prevent worsening health, or protection from the risks and consequences of illness, disability, infirmity, medical treatments, or health disparities. Then we evaluate the response to our interventions and to treatment provided by others to determine whether or not the desired outcomes have been achieved. Then we repeat this process in an iterative, repetitive, continuous reappraisal of the state of health, of changes, whether better or worse, always ready to make critical decisions about when and how to intervene, to adjust our diagnoses, our plan, and our goals. Nurses perform this scientific process anywhere, in clinics, hospitals, schools, the community, or the streets. And during these last few years, in a lot of parking lots. And unlike what is portrayed on television, nurses function both autonomously and collaboratively, never subserviently, with other healthcare professions. Compelling evidence has brought the recognition that professional nurses have a major impact on health outcomes, including improving health and reducing complications, disability, and death rates. And this is because nursing is a science-based profession supported by a foundation of scientific research. The scope of nursing expands even further for those nurses who choose to advance their education and obtain a graduate degree. Nurses who follow this path diagnose and treat common illness and injuries, prescribe medication, administer anesthesia, lead healthcare organizations, establish professional practice standards, and determine public policy. conduct scientific research and publish their findings in professional journals, and become faculty and teach others how to become a nurse. It's vital to stress that while we perform these services, nurses also provide caring, compassion, and comfort to our patients and their families, often during the most stressful times of people's lives. Caring is the core of our profession, and because of that, nurses are distinctive and strong patient advocates. We function in a unique partnership with our patients, assisting them in all activities related to health, recovery, and death that they would perform unaided if only they were able or knew how. The recent pandemic has made our profession more visible than ever. It has put nursing on the front pages, highlighting not only the critical role we play in the health of our population, but also the immense challenges and personal sacrifices that we experience in the process. Most of our faculty and many of our students have served on the front lines throughout this pandemic. These students have completed their education in the midst of the chaos, uncertainty, and national strife that came with COVID. They were tasked with continuing to focus on developing their knowledge and their craft while challenged by constant change and stress. And they have successfully navigated all of this. It has been my honor to watch them grow in their final stage of maturation, putting together all they have learned and becoming ready to transition from student to nurse. I hope that after today, you look very differently at your loved one sitting here in these seats, not only in appreciation of what they have accomplished, but because you recognize who they have become, and because you have a better understanding of what their life work will encompass. And I hope you can now more fully appreciate just why this ceremony is so meaningful both to them and to us as a celebration of accomplishment and entry into the profession of nursing. So now allow me to direct the rest of my comments to them. You have experienced tremendous challenges completing your nursing education in the midst of a global and devastating pandemic that uncovered the weaknesses and limitations of our healthcare system and taxed our profession to the breaking point. You have had to adjust to a variety of teaching modalities, to less time at the bedside, and to faculty and preceptors experiencing the greatest professional stress of their lives while still trying to teach you all that it takes to be the next generation of nurses. And yet you did it. I have had the distinct privilege of teaching you in your capstone nursing course after all the other faculty members have instilled their knowledge and expertise into your professional development. You have learned about everything from the common cold to schizophrenia to septic shock with mods, and of course, coronavirus disease. You know how to assess and optimize normal growth and development as well as abnormal cellular oxygenation. You have received a great education at SDSU, and you've succeeded in achieving each and every goal we've put before you. We've talked in class about the fears that you and all nurses face, but you are ready, and you have earned the right to proudly wear the pin you'll receive today as a badge of honor. However, you know me. While this pin signifies the achievement of a personal milestone, it is also a symbol of your acceptance to the responsibilities of the practice of nursing. So I have yet another challenge to present to you before we send you off. Remember that membership in the nursing profession is a privilege, one that you have earned with your hard work, persistence, and dedication, but a privilege not to be taken lightly. Because this privilege grants you the honor of participating in the most personal and momentous times of people's lives, and the privilege of sharing in the most intimate aspects of their lives, when they are the most vulnerable and in need of a competent, trustworthy, and caring advocate. This is a sacred trust, and it is the very essence of nursing. We are the most trusted profession in the world. So I challenge you to be worthy of that trust, to continue to earn that trust, and to never lose respect for that trust or take it for granted. It is up to you to make a choice every day in every contact you have with your patients and their loved ones. Just what kind of a nurse are you going to be? Because you will make a difference in people's lives. But whether it's a positive one or a negative one is up to you. So I challenge you to have the strength and conviction, the courage to do what is right, what is science and evidence-based practice, rather than be driven by fear, by self, by what is expedient, or by opinion, or what makes you fit in with others. Treat your patients as if they were your own family. People are going to entrust to you their lives, their hearts, and their dignity. Overcome your trepidation, ignore the naysayers and your imposter syndrome. Be change agents, make things better. We need you to make things better. Continue to learn to master the science of nursing and develop the art of nursing. And always remember that the best nurse has a caring heart, competent hands, a well-fed intellect, and a giving soul. Do not trivialize what the nursing pin you received today represents. Embrace all that there is in nursing and be passionate about what you do. Give your heart to your patients and their families, and when you do, they will teach you what true bravery is, what true strength and courage are. They will teach you perspective. They will teach you to value each and every moment of every day, so let them be your inspiration. I promise you, it will be worth it. So with that, on behalf of the entire faculty, it gives me great honor and pride to welcome you today as our colleagues. You are now our colleagues into the wonderful profession of nursing. Treat it well, and God bless you.
Okay, you got me all choked up. Dr. Carlson, I certainly hope you understand your career as a nurse over the last 50 years, the impact that you have made on the nursing profession, not only here, but also in the communities of Imperial Valley. We want to thank you as a School of Nursing, as being a nurse, a clinical nurse specialist, a nurse researcher, and a nurse educator. You have made this impact within our profession that will live on for legacies. I hope you understand. Now I'd like to invite our stellar graduate student to address her classmates, Eloisa Lizette Melendez.
I don't know how I'm going to top that, but I'll try. Hello, everyone, and thank you for being here. For those, again, that don't know me, my name is Eloisa Melendez, and I'm a master's graduate from our nursing leadership program. It's such a joy to be up here talking with you today in a room full of powerful nurses and the family and friends who have supported us through our tears and our times of stress. You are no doubt the rock that has gotten us through to this point. It's been an interesting journey going through this during COVID. I don't think any of us knew what to expect or how things would turn out, yet here we are celebrating our accomplishments, and in person no less. We managed to adapt to the times, sit in class via Zoom, and learn how to give presentations online with dogs barking in the back, babies crying, talking specifically about my son, Archie. Reflecting on these last couple years, I realized we were able to learn at such a unique time. With nursing on the forefront of the pandemic, it made for interesting discussions and the opportunity to learn from others, like my classmates and professors, who are working now to make incredible changes in our profession. I shadowed leaders at our local healthcare organizations and watched them navigate this post-pandemic era, figuring out how we move forward from here. We are here advancing ourselves, looking out for our future as nurses, and I have no doubt that we are ready for the challenge. Thank you to our professors who constantly motivated and encouraged us through each semester. You set the standard high for the type of nurses we all aspire to be. Thank you to my fellow classmates for sharing your experiences both professionally and personally. It's been a joy getting to know you all. And last but not least, thank you to my husband and son. I didn't think I was going to cry, for supporting me and being my constant source of happiness. Congratulations, class of 2022. You have overcome so many obstacles going to school during a pandemic. So take pride in your achievements and know just how inspiring you all are. Thank you.
Okay, Elisa, stay here with me. We would like to present you with the Graduate Academic Excellence Award. It is presented to the graduate student with the highest GPA of all graduate students. Congratulations. And now I would like to invite the valedictorians of the undergraduate class, Emily Falk, Sonia George, Reese Caresetter, David Caleb Messias, and Gianna Ward. Come on up. Yes, we do have fives. Come on up. And they have prepared a small speech, each of them.
Hello, friends, family, faculty, and the class of 2022. We gather here today to celebrate, not only to signify the end of our journey, but to highlight the resilience, time, and effort that it took for each and every one of us to be sitting here today. We entered the nursing program in circumstances that I'm sure none of us could have imagined, but here we are. And if there's one thing we hope for you all to leave with after today, is that we should be incredibly proud of where we have started and how far we have come. To our fellow graduates, we've learned so much throughout our time here at San Diego State University. We have pushed ourselves to keep doing the things that scared us and supported each other when it seemed almost impossible. I encourage you to look at those sitting next to you. You don't have to look far for inspiration. We now each have the foundation to make a long-lasting contribution to our profession. And to our nursing faculty, thank you. You led us through this journey. You showed us what being adaptable, passionate, and caring means, traits we will all bring with us to our nursing practice. And to the administration of our nursing program, thank you for your endless support behind the scenes. This journey would not have been possible without your advocacy, emotional support, and guidance. We acknowledge your hard work, some of which included securing our clinical placements so that we could graduate. Without you, we would not be sitting here today.
As we celebrate this day together, we should also reflect on all of the moments we have shared and ways we have grown. From the moment we first put on our navy blue scrubs, we were determined to become the best nurses we could possibly be. From simply learning how to measure a manual blood pressure to administering medications to real patients, we have definitely come a long way. Our nursing education started at a truly unique time in history. Almost overnight, we went from attending lectures, labs, and clinicals in person to learning how to be a nurse through Zoom. Many of us practiced injections on oranges and inserted Foley catheters into water bottles. Some even stepped up to volunteer as vaccinators, while others directly cared for COVID patients as nursing assistants. As you can see, a pandemic did not stop our efforts and desire to become professional nurses.
As you all know, our education came with great sacrifices. On top of having to study for lectures and complete assignments for labs, we had to wake up before the crack of dawn for clinicals. With the guidance of our instructors, we were challenged each week to think like a nurse. But this journey would not have been possible without the unwavering support from others. To all of our family and friends, it's impossible to count all the times you have listened, guided, and supported us in our moments of doubt. I can't tell you the number of times I've called my family on the verge of tears, fearful about an exam I had the next day, or the number of times my friends gave me the encouragement I needed to finish those long, long care plans. Your listening ears, comforting words, and constant support are so very appreciated, and they have not gone unnoticed. You cared for us while we were learning how to care for others. The ceremony is as much a celebration of you as it is for us graduates. Now it's time for us to set aside our worn out and stained SDSU scrubs as we start this new chapter in our professional nursing journey.
As we begin our journey as new grads, there are a couple of lessons for all of us to carry wherever we go. Number one, don't be so hard on yourself. It's normal to feel unprepared, and even though we will make mistakes, it's important that they don't define you. Remember that they don't define you. Instead, look at them as opportunities to learn and to grow. Never forget that success isn't a letter grade. Success is being able to make your patients feel cared for and making sure that they're safe. Number two, and one of the hardest to learn, remember to take care of yourself, both physically and emotionally. In the words of our instructors and our preceptors, save your back. But also, find an activity that helps you unwind after a hard shift and people that you can confide in. Be intentional about taking the time to care for yourself now so that you can effectively care for other people. And three, trust your gut and never stop advocating for your patients. If you're in a situation that you're unsure about, don't hesitate to ask for help. Don't be afraid to stand up for your patients when others tell you to sit down, because it's your job to keep your patients safe. And in the words of Dr. Carlson, you need to be warriors for your patients. They're counting on you.
Today does not mark the end, but instead the beginning of our future careers. We will all go on to various nursing specialties and make significant impacts on the lives we touch. Some of us will go into bedside, caring for patients during life's best and worst of moments. Some will go into research, improving the care of patients across the globe. And some will go into nursing education, leading and inspiring the future generation of nurses. The vast nursing possibilities are bound by the common goal of helping improve people's lives. To quote President Theodore Roosevelt, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. We as nurses will treat humans rather than diseases by focusing on the person behind the labeling of patient. We enter the nursing profession at a time fraught with uncertainty and ongoing challenges. Nurses are exhausted, patients are angry, and society is confused. This world needs new nurses now more than ever before to reinvigorate life into this vital profession. This transition as new grads will not be easy. At times you will be overwhelmed, but return to your why, as this is the reason you chose nursing. We are all SDSU School of Nursing alumni representing and supporting each other. Although we will branch out across the globe, our roots are grounded within the nursing family. We look to the past for inspiration for the future. Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing, who laid the foundation for our profession through evidence-based practice. We too will have the ability to challenge the status quo and improve the future of healthcare. Now, what will be your legacy? Thank you.
Thank you, valedictorians. Don't leave. Stay on stage. We would like to present you with the overall academic achievement. It is presented to the undergraduate students with the highest cumulative GPA earned in all coursework for the bachelor's degree in nursing. It is my pleasure to recognize each and every one of you. And can I have your speeches for next year? Emily, let's start with you. Sonia. Reese. David. And Gianna. And the third academic award for achievement in nursing goes to the baccalaureate graduates who have received the highest grade point average in nursing courses. This award will be presented to several of our nursing students this year with a 4.0 in nursing courses. So again, if you could all stay on stage, great. And I'd like to invite up Deetria Davis, Marga Klages, Daisy Perez, Paris Summers, Jennifer Eileen Zabalos, sorry. Okay, we have awards for you all also. Deetria. Emily. Sonia. Reese. Marga. David. Daisy. Paris. Gianna. And Jennifer. Congratulations, all of you. Now I'd like to introduce Heidi Pina, who will be awarding the Rehab Care Coordination Community Leadership Award. Up to the stand.
Hello, everyone. I am here on behalf of Doreen Casuto, who is actually the owner of Rehabilitation Care Coordination, better known as RCC. She could not be here today because she has a deposition. So I've worked with this company for 17 years, and I love my job. I love what I do. I know you guys are all nurses as well. We have nurses and social workers in our office. We're a company that provides nursing case management and coordination of services to our patients. We work with individuals that have had a birth injury or sustained a catastrophic injury. We work together with their families, and we have a lot of community partners out there that we work with as well. This is to help all our patients throughout their recovery journey. The goal for us is not to create somebody who's dependent on us. The goal is to find out what resources they have so they can be independent. We always look at the glass as half full rather than half empty, and we always look at the potential of our patients. People need something to do, something to look forward to, and someone to do it for. And that is our driving force of our company. Congratulations to all the nursing graduates as you are entering a new phase in your life. This is your time to take all that you have learned from this fantastic School of Nursing and make a positive impact on patients' lives, the community, and the world. Based on our opportunities, training, and experience, and the commitment of our staff, we believe in the importance of nurses and the role they play in the community, and that is why these scholarships have been developed. We are honored to be involved with San Diego State School of Nursing and look forward to our continued collaboration. First, I want to take a minute to recognize one winner of the 2022 RCC Nursing Leadership Award. She will be walking at the Imperial Valley campus graduation shortly, but congratulations to Jessica McAlexander from Imperial County. The second winner, like many students, spent the entirety of the pandemic working as a public health nurse. If that wasn't enough, she was also a lead practitioner of the vaccination efforts. While this was occurring, she observed that public health nurses were insufficiently trained in both providing care and client services via telehealth. Taking leadership where there was a clear area of need, she researched best practices and applied an evidence-based telehealth education program to public health nurses at the San Diego County Public Health Department. Her program resulted in increased feelings of confidence, comfort, and knowledge regarding telehealth. The winner of the 2022 RCC Nursing Leadership Award is Carla Diaz. Thank you, everyone, and congratulations to Carla, Jessica, and all the 2022 graduates.
Thank you, Heidi. Now it's time to recognize other students for their accomplishments during their time at SDSU. I'd like to ask Dr. Michael Gates, Associate Director of the School of Nursing, to come forward and present the undergraduate student awards from Gamma Gamma and Sigma Theta Tau International Honor Society.
Okay, I always feel like Albus Dumbledore in these big gowns. So I'm going to give the first award that I'm going to give out is the Outstanding Student Award. And this award recognizes the student who has demonstrated high academic achievement, clinical excellence, and active community involvement. And this award goes to Nicole Yo. I guess she's not here. She's in the bathroom. Well, let's surprise when she walks back in. Here she goes, Nicole? You get to come up on stage. We just, so I'll summarize, come on up. You've just been awarded the Outstanding Student Award for demonstrating high academic achievement, clinical excellence, and active community involvement. The next award is the Personal and Professional Development Award. This award recognizes the student who has shown the ability to overcome adversity while still achieving high academics and demonstrating strong professional ethics. And this year, the award goes to Deborah Kong. Next is the Clinical Achievement Award. This award recognizes the person who you would want to care for your loved ones. And this goes to David Caleb Macias. And then Dr. Carlson and I are both faculty counselors for the Sigma Theta Tau International Nursing Society. And that's where when people are wearing these purple TAS honor cords. This honor society, I want to recognize all the members. You're going to see a lot of people stand up who are wearing these. So everybody who was inducted into this organization, please stand up. It's a lot of them. So overall, just a couple things for people to know. Sigma Theta Tau is the only international nursing honor society. It has over 130,000 members in 95 countries. The Honor Society supports learning, knowledge, and professional development of nurses committed to making a difference in health worldwide. This is an organization that they're going to be a part of the rest of their careers, and take advantage of it. Okay, congratulations.
Thank you, Dr. Gates. The Army ROTC program sponsors a leadership award for one of our graduates. I'd like to welcome up Lieutenant Colonel Marshall Parlett to give out the Army Nurse Leadership Award.
All right, congratulations to all of you. This is a huge achievement. You look great out there. Looking forward to hopefully seeing you out there and when I'm in a better state. But just really proud of you all for all the hard work you've put in to make it to this day, and for the families out there and friends who supported them through this endeavor. I'm Lieutenant Colonel Parlett. I run the Army ROTC program here at State, and it's an honor to be here in person this year. It took me 3 hours last year to record the presentation, so it is great to see you all and not have to record. The Army Nurse Leadership Award is presented to a graduate who served efficiently and effectively in formal leadership or showed signs of effective leadership in groups and has been influential amongst peers. Would Alyssa Lasky please join me up here?
Thank you, Lieutenant Colonel Michelle Parlett. We appreciate you being here, being part of our celebration today. Now we'd like to recognize our VA Valor Program. San Diego State School of Nursing has been participating in a collaborative partnership with the VA San Diego Healthcare. This partnership offers expanded learning opportunities for the students who participate. Presenting the students who have participated in the Valor Program are Lorene Pata, Dr. Holly Taglia, and Lori Durso.
Hello, my name is Holly Tenaglia, Clinical Nurse Specialist and VA San Diego's Valor Coordinator. SDSU and the VA have partnered to provide veteran-centric clinical education to nursing students. The education our nursing students receive at the VA is in alignment with the Joining Forces campaign. Joining Forces is a White House initiative to support military families, which includes families of service members and veterans, caregivers, and survivors. This campaign addresses the need for nursing students to learn more about veteran-specific care to treat our nation's many veterans and their unique healthcare needs. What is the impact of this partnership? I would like to ask any student who has had one or more clinicals at the VA to stand. Thank you. You can be seated. It is our hope from your VA clinical experiences that each of you better understand caring for our nation's heroes and their healthcare needs, no matter where you become employed. As you can see, the VA has a large impact on clinical education for nursing students. VA facilities across the country provide clinical training to not only nursing students, but students of all disciplines, such as physicians, pharmacists, dietitians, occupational therapists, physical therapists, and more. The Valor Program, also known as VA Learning Opportunity Residency, is a national VA program which supports a select group of outstanding nursing students to increase their knowledge, clinical skills, and competencies related to veteran care. Valors are employed full-time during the summer prior to graduation and work during their senior year.
Hi, everyone. I'm Lorene Pata. I'm the nurse manager for nursing education. And as Dean Hooker said, not only those hospitals that he mentioned, the VA San Diego is also in need of nurses. So I had to throw this plug. We have a job fair on Friday, May 20th. And we would love to see you there if you guys are all still looking for jobs. In addition, we have started a post-baccalaureate RN residency program, and we are just in the process of finishing our cohort number 1. and it is a year-long paid residency program that we will give you a variety of clinical experiences that you may not have had in your during this pandemic. And we would love to have you. The application is up on our website now, too. You can also apply for that also. So that, I just wanted to share that. There's a few things that I wanted to impart. I want to congratulate all of you. As an Aztec for life, I am an SDSU nursing school graduate also. Congratulations to the class of 2022. I am impressed, 5 valedictorians. I'm a proud graduate. I am willing to help any of you. If you need help with your resumes, interviewing skills as a nurse manager, please reach out to me. For any of you SDSU, I'm willing to help all of you. And I can help you with your answers and questions and how you're going to be doing in interviews. So please, I'm lorene.pata@va.gov, and you can reach out to me, and I'm more than happy to help you. One of the things that the VA initiative has is we impart 3 things. The first thing is care of the veteran, of course. That's what the VA is about. That's why the VA's mission is. The second thing is care of the team. You will be working with team and other colleagues as nurses, so you have to take care of the team. And as you've heard, I think it was Dr. McCauley, you said, and your valedictorian speakers also said, the most important thing is care of yourself. You have to continue to care of yourself. And I love that. Care of your back, save your back, because if your back is your career as nursing. All right, thank you all, and then we're going to start with this.
We would like to recognize the following Valor students today. Please come forward as your name is called. Juliana Eggert. Pristine June. Okay. Deborah Kong. Next, Oliver LaCapria. Marissa O'Brien. And Jezreel Punai. Want to do a picture first? Okay. On behalf of the VA San Diego Healthcare System, Nursing Service, and Nursing Education, we would like to congratulate you on being forever advocates of veteran care. Thank you. Okay, now you can sit down.
Sorry, I always have something to say. Today is a very special day. I hope you guys all realize it. May 12th, it's Florence Nightingale's birthday. So congratulations on your pinning on Florence Nightingale's birthday.
On behalf of the School of Nursing, I want to thank the Army ROTC, the VA, and also the Casuto family for providing amazing clinical placements for our students. Sharp, Scripps, Kaiser. We couldn't hold of school nursing and have these opportunities for each and one of you without the dedication of our clinical partners. So we really appreciate you being here today. I would like to ask Dr. Beverly Carlson back up to this podium today, who is the graduate advisor of the School of Nursing, to present the Graduate Student Awards and announce this student has completed their requirements for graduation, at which time the School of Nursing faculty concentration chairs, Dr. Judy Dye and Dr. Amanda Chaufflet, will present their master's hoods.
I'm back. Hi. In addition to the Graduate Student Award for Academic Excellence that was already announced, the graduate faculty also selects students for awards who excel in other areas. This year, we have selected 2 students to receive the Graduate Student Award for Excellence in Clinical Practice. Both of the recipients of this award are graduating from the, get ready for this, Advanced Practice Nursing of Adults and the Elderly concentration with specialization as an adult gerontology nurse practitioner and acute critical care clinical nurse specialist. And I'm actually going to ask, she doesn't know this, Dr. Dye to come up and give them these awards, because she's the concentration chair for this particular concentration. The first recipient of this award is Shayna Marie Bangato Jacob. So while she's standing here, I'll embarrass her. Shayna maintained academic excellence and displayed outstanding performance in her clinical rotations, despite still, no, Shayna, you gotta stay here while I say this. Despite still working long hours as a nurse caring for patients in the acute care setting during the pandemic. Shayna has demonstrated the highest level of dedication to learning and quickly exceeded all expectations of her preceptors, constantly striving to be the best clinician possible and providing outstanding care to her patients with compassion and understanding. Our faculty are proud to have contributed to her education. Congratulations, Shayna. The second recipient of this award is Micah Feigenbaum. So Micah is an active duty Navy Nurse Corps officer who completed her graduate program supported by the Navy's Duty Under Instruction program, the DUINS program. Micah is one of our top graduates and consistently excelled clinically in all her rotations. Micah is a highly motivated, self-directed learner with a strong sense of commitment to excellence in practice, as well as a dedication to supporting her classmates with her academic skills and supportive demeanor. She has proven to be an outstanding clinician who demonstrates great caring and empathy to those she serves and works with. Again, our faculty are proud to have contributed to her education and wish her well as she starts her next duty station. Congratulations, Micah. You might as well stay. At this time, I will call to the stage each of our graduating graduate students to be presented with their master's hoods. These students are graduating from one of two concentrations. The one I already mentioned that I won't try to say the whole name again, Advanced Practice Nursing, and the Nursing Leadership. Students will be called by concentration, and they will be hooded by their faculty concentration chair. We'll start with the Advanced Practicing Concentration, with that long name, with the hoods presented by Dr. Judy Dye. Lindsay Alvett. Lindsay is originally from Rochester, New York, to thank her husband, Nick. Thank you. Thank you. Erin Cerny will be starting her job as a nurse practitioner with the Inflammatory Bowel Disease Group at UCSD. She would like to thank her parents, without whom none of this would be possible. I'm getting graded on how I say this one. Helen Calda Arpon del Rosario. Did I do it right? She would like to thank her loved ones here today and the rest of her family who couldn't be present for supporting her journey to become a nurse practitioner and clinical nurse specialist. Micah Feigenbaum is from Oklahoma. She would like to thank her husband and daughters for their support. She will continuing her 16 years of U.S. Naval service at the Navy Medicine Readiness and Training Command in San Diego. Joshua Peter Hahn is from New Jersey. He would like to thank God, his mother, his wife Nita, and his 3 children for their love, support, and patience. Ruby Jackson. Ruby is a native of Lima, Peru, and she is the first to obtain a higher degree other than high school in her family. The most significant people who have inspired her to reach this point are her fraternal grandmother, dad, and children. Shayna Marie Bongato Jacob is from San Diego. She would like to thank her family for their ongoing support in her endeavors. Christina Curry is from San Diego. She would like to thank her family and partner Jasmine for their continued support, as well as her dog Kibby, I think I said that right, for attending all Zoom classes. She plans to be working within the LGBTQ+ community. Melissa McCarthy, there you are, is from San Diego, and she would like to thank her parents, Jack and Linda McCarthy. Molly McEwen would like to thank her wife Denise for hanging in there over the past 3 years. We made it. Casey Shalkowski is a U.S. Navy officer and will be transferring to Okinawa, Japan after graduation. She would like to thank the staff, preceptors, and her family for supporting her through this program. And now we'll present hoods to those in the Leadership in Healthcare Systems concentration, and the hoods will be presented by their concentration chair, Dr. Amanda Schifflin. Are they here? Carla Atzing Diaz. Carla wants to thank her husband, parents, and brother for supporting her and helping her these past 2 years. She could not have done it without any of you, and she loves you all. Eloisa Lizette Melendez would like to thank her husband, Brandon, son, Archie, and family for all their encouragement and support. She loves you all. She will continue to work at Paradise Valley Hospital following graduation. Taylor Ney wants to thank her loving parents. I like this one. She wants to thank her loving parents and handsome husband for their constant support and patience while obtaining this degree. And Joseph Hugh Tyrer. He didn't tell me who to thank. Okay, back to you.
Thank you, Dr. Carlson, Dr. Dye, Dr. Souffle, and graduate students. Send me your CV. I'm looking for nursing faculty. Okay, now it's time to present each of our RN to BSN students and undergraduate BSN students with their pin. The RN to BSN students will be announced first, followed by our undergraduate BSN students. They will be introduced by Dr. Michael Gates, our Associate Director of the School of Nursing.
Gotta make sure I have my water. Okay, we're gonna start with the RN to BSN students. Our first one is Patricia Canuck, is from San Diego and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her father Richard and mother Marcella. Patricia is interested in working in the ICU. Sally Isaac is from San Diego and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her husband. Sally is interested in furthering her education, becoming a nurse practitioner. Oh, okay. And she's going to figuratively walk across the stage and get pinned. Okay. Chase Morton Lapria is from San Diego, and she's not, and that's another figurative person walking down this. Eileen, oh yes. Eileen Arelis Luck is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her husband Chris and mom Marta. Eileen is interested in public health nursing. Crisel Maldonado is graduating with honors. She will be pinned by her mother Lilia and sister Christine. She dedicates this accomplishment to her late father, William Rosel. Amy L. Martinez is from San Diego and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her older sister Elaine and her boyfriend Brandon. Amy is interested in critical care nursing. Liliana Morales Correo is from San Diego and is obtaining her second bachelor's degree today. She will be pinned by her fiancé Samuel and her mother Sabina. She would like to thank her family and fiancé for all the love and support throughout her nursing journey. Nina Viel is from Sweden and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her husband Ray. Oh, by her son. Nina is working as an ICU nurse. So now we're going to go on to our traditional nursing students. And our first one is Sabra I got it. Saba Abrishami is from Los Angeles and graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Afasane, and her father, Siamak. Saba is pursuing pediatric critical care nursing. Jaden Alexio is from San Diego. She will be pinned by her mother, Lori, and friend, Azy. Jaden is interested in emergency nursing. Julia Marie Andres is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her father, Robert, and her mother, Maravik. Julia will start her new career in 4 days. She graduated in the fall, so that's how she's able to do that. Yadanar E. Pugh I is from Myanmar and is graduating with highest honors. She'll be pinned by her mother, Da, and father, Yu. Yadanar is interested in cardiac nursing. Christian Bautista will be pinned by his father, Ferdinand, and mother, Michelin. He is interested in emergency room nursing. Nathan Bennett is from Los Angeles, California, and is graduating with highest honors. He is being pinned by his mother, Tricia, and father, Casey. Nathan is interested in critical care nursing. Alejandro Josef Bernardo is from San Diego State, graduating with highest honors. He will be pinned by his mother, Faye, and father, Alejandro. Alejandro is interested in intensive care nursing. Casey Bethel is from San Diego and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Karen, and father, Lee. Casey is beginning her nursing career in labor and delivery. Brigitte Blas is from Chula Vista and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mom, Joan, and mother, Josephina. Brigitte is hoping to start a new grad residency in the emergency room. Tommy Bowers is from Norco, California, and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother, April, and her father, John. Tommy is currently a telemetry nurse in Rancho Mirage and is interested in being a nurse in the ICU. John Coway is from San Diego and will be graduating with highest honors. He will be pinned by his mother, Nelia, and father, Jorge. John is interested in critical care nursing. Catherine Nadine Carroll is from San Diego and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Susan, and father, John. Katie's interested in cardiac PCU nursing. Catherine Kasuga is from Gilroy, California. She is so grateful for the support of her friends, family, and professors. She is interested in pediatric oncology. Kennedy Opal Champagne is from Sacramento and is graduating with highest honors. She'll be pinned by her sister Morgan Gilland, mother Tammy. Kennedy is starting her nursing career at Sharp Memorial in the surgical ICU. Lillian Contreras is from San Jose, California, and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Yolanda, and father, Oliver. Lillian is interested in pediatric nursing. Francesca Costin is from San Diego and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her parents, Donna and John. Francesca has accepted a position as a neonatal ICU nurse. Nicole Cadal is from Carson and is graduated in December with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Maria, and father, Dexter. Nicole will be starting her nursing career on the bone marrow transplant unit at UCSD Jacobs. Madison Alexandra D'Ambrosio is from New Jersey and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Jane, and father, Joseph. Madison is interested in pediatric nursing. Kiana Marie Dabu is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother and father. Kiana is interested in both acute care and mother-baby nursing. Jennifer Dow is graduating with highest honors. Her goal is to travel the world, and she hopes to pursue a career in critical care nursing. Cameron David is from Chino Hills, California, and is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her father, Rick, and mother, Victoria. Cameron will start her nursing career at Sharp Memorial. Gabrielle David is from San Diego and is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Mary, Ann, and father, Rolly. Deetria Davis, originally from Fresno, transferred from Santa Barbara, is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her significant other, Hunter. Deetria is interested in ICU and pediatric nursing. Lindsay Alexandra Decker is from Fresno, California. She will be pinned by her mother, Teresa, and her father, Jason. Lindsay is interested in becoming a labor and delivery nurse. Claire Nicole Denny is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her mom, Liz, and her dad, Scott. Claire is interested in oncology and labor and delivery. Whitney Lauren Diacri is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Lori, and her sister, Kari. She will begin working as a new graduate nurse at Sharp Grossmont Hospital in the emergency department. Amy Doe is from San Diego and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her parents, Dawn and Fom. Vivian Doe is from Los Angeles and is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Tran, and her father, Kang. Vivian is interested in OR nursing. Dalton Doby is from San Diego and is graduating with high honors. He will be pinned by his mother, Karen, and his father, Danny. Dalton will begin his new grad residency at Sharp Grossmont's emergency department. Cameron Dollinger is from the Bay Area and is graduating with high honors. He will be pinned by his father, Ron, and mother, Sunmi. Cameron is interested in intensive care nursing. Brent Douglas is from Corona, California, and is graduating with high honors. He will be pinned by his mother, Marilyn, and father, James. Brent is interested in emergency nursing. Juliana Rose Eggert is from Somerset, California, and is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her older brother, Joshua, RN and mother, Willie June. Juliana desires to specialize in geriatric care. Celeste Erlinson is from Monrovia and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her father, Kevin, and her mother, Irma. Celeste currently works as an RN at Huntington Hospital and Rehab. Zahir Farah is from San Diego and is graduating with honors. She will be pinned by her mother and sister, who are both nurses. Kaylee Flanagan is from Stockton, California, and is graduating with highest honors. She is being pinned by her parents. Kaylee has wanted to become a nurse since elementary school. Emily Falk is from the Bay Area and will be pinned by her mother, Amy, and brother, Jeffrey. Janelle Santa Cruz Fortuno is from San Diego. She is graduating with highest honors and with a gerontology minor. She will be pinned by her parents, Bobby and Sue Fortuno. Fernando Garces is graduating with highest honors. He will be pinned by his mother Ursula and father Fernando. He currently works as a NICU nurse at Rady's Children's Hospital. Sonia George is from Modesto, California, and is graduating with highest honors. She is being pinned by her two favorite registered nurses, her mom, Shinny, and her sister, Chelsea. Hannah Ganem is from San Diego, graduating with honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Lori, and her father, Ralph. Hannah is interested in labor and delivery nursing. Catherine Yang is from Duarte, California, and is graduating with honors. She will be pinned by her younger sister, Christina Yang. Catherine will start her nursing career at Sharp Memorial. Ashley Gildersleeve is graduating with honors and is being pinned by her mom Julie, and her grandma Jean. She is following her grandma's footsteps in becoming an emergency room nurse. Jenna Angela Marie Giordano is from Sonoma County and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her parents, Beverly and Michael. Jenna is interested in emergency or labor and delivery nursing. Diana Goko is from San Diego and is graduating with honors. She will be pinned by her father, Andrew, and mother, Daisy. Madis Guya is from Orange County and is graduating with highest honors. Madis wishes to pursue her profession in critical care nursing. She will be pinned by her mother and father. David Griffiths is from Camarillo and will be pinned by his mother Jennifer and father John. David is interested in critical care nursing. Megan Gordado is from Simi Valley and will be graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Robin, and her father, Mike. Megan currently works as a telemetry nurse at Adventist Health Simi Valley. Brianna Lushan Hall is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Brenda, and her father, Ritas. Brianna has been hired to become an emergency nurse upon graduation. Hannah Hahn is from Portland, Oregon, and is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Lena, and her father, Lamb. Hannah is interested in neonatal nursing. Grace Harton is from San Diego and is graduating with honors. She will be pinned by her mother and father. Grace is interested in obstetric nursing. Cameron Kyle Hernandez is from Saipan. He will be pinned by his mother Cora and Aunt Sally. Cameron is interested in psychiatric nursing. Clara Ho. She graduated with honors in the fall. She will be pinned by her older sister Sheila Ho and her mother Thu Ho. She would like to pursue oncology in her nursing career. Farron Holland is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her mother Donna. Farron is beginning her nursing career in the emergency department. Brandon Huynh is from San Diego and is graduating. He will be pinned by his mother Michelle and father Kenny. Brandon is interested in becoming a professor of nursing in the future. L. LeClaire Jackson is graduating with highest honors in the nursing program and with honors minor in interdisciplinary studies. She will be pinned by her parents, Christy and Jeff. Rebecca G. is the College of Health and Human Services College Council's vice president. She will be pinned by her friends Hannah and Navita. Rebecca will be working as a trauma nurse. Megan Johnston is from Orange County and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother Elizabeth and father Michael. Megan currently works as an RN at Sharp Grossmont in their medical ICU. Lauren Joy is from Northern California and is graduating with honors. She's here with her family and would like to thank them for their support. She's interested in pediatric nursing. Ariel Cass is from Palo Alto and is graduating summa cum laude. She'll be pinned by her parents, Ronnie and Rinat. Ariel is interested in operating room nursing. Reese Kerstetter is from Livermore, California. He is being pinned by his mother Shannon and father Chris. He thanks his family, friends, and faculty for all of their support. Marga Klages is from the Bay Area and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mom, OJ, and her grandma, Comfort. Marga will be working in the emergency department after graduation. Ashley Cook is from Moore Park, California, and is graduating with high honors. She is being pinned by her mom, Rachel, and dad, Don. She plans to start in med-surg. Tolia Kozina is from San Diego and is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her mother Elizabeth and father Thomas. Talia is interested in outpatient pediatric nursing. Deborah Kong is from Sacramento and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Wanchi, and her aunt, Joanna. Deborah is interested in geriatric or oncology nursing. Oliver LaCapria is graduating with highest honors. He is being pinned by his mother, Charmaine. He is interested in both cardiac and oncology nursing. Emily Kurin Lanning is from Sonoma County and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her parents, Tom and Shelley. Emily is interested in labor and delivery or pediatric nursing. Jillian Montserrat Lau, that's right, I'm sorry, from Orange County and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her parents, Pinky and Joey Lau. She hopes to pursue ICU nursing. Alyssa Lasky is from Yorba Linda and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Jessica, and her father, Michael. Alyssa hopes to start a career in pediatrics. Michaela Elizabeth Lee is graduating with high honors and will be pinned by her parents, Edith and David. Michaela is in the telemetry unit at Good Samaritan. Shannon Lung is from Los Angeles and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her friend Isaiah. Shannon is interested in pediatric nursing. Marion Bernadette Lauren is from the Philippines and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother Editha, and her father Francis. Marion is interested in pediatric nursing. Nan Ma is from Irvine and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her younger sister, Bing Bing, and mother, Jia. Nan is interested in obstetrics nursing. David Caleb Macias is from Chula Vista and is graduating with highest honors. He's being pinned by his sister and niece. He is interested in critical care nursing. Sophia McLean is from Truckee, California. She will be pinned by her parents, Matt and Marina. She wants to thank them for their love and support. Robelin Manalansan is graduating with high honors, double minoring in psychology and public health, and is aspiring to be an oncology nurse. She's being pinned by her parents, Robert and Rose. And not to be outdone by her sister, Rosmil Manalansan from San Diego is graduating with highest honors and is being pinned by her parents, Robert and Rose. She hopes to work in a cardiac unit. There we go, the family picture. Samantha Manis is from San Diego and is graduating with a minor in psychology. She is interested in adult critical care nursing. She will be pinned by her mom, Deb, and Uncle Tim. Nicole Marshall was born and raised in San Diego and is graduating with honors. She will be pinned by her parents' biggest supporters, John and Carrie Marshall. Nicole is interested in working in the emergency department. Sydney Martin is a San Diego native. She will be pinned by her two biggest SDSU supporters, Renee Burtkin and Peter Stratchwich. Sydney is interested in bone marrow transplant nursing. Myra Mayer is from West Covina and is graduating with highest honors and summa cum laude designation. She will be pinned by her older sister Melissa and fellow graduate Karina. Charlie Melendez is from San Diego, where she grew up with her two pinners, her mother Heather and her older sister Isabel. Charlie is interested in trauma nursing. Diane Grace Mendoza is from Los Angeles County and is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her father Ernie and mother Grace. Diana is passionate about geriatric nursing. Michaela Luna Montano is from San Diego and is graduating with honors. She will be pinned by her parents, Seru and Kurubin Carrion. Mika is interested in operating room nursing. Denise Tolentino Nugget is from San Diego and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her parents, Adrian and Corinna Nugget. Denise is interested in cardiac nursing. Mary Claire Newsom is from Walnut Creek, California, and is graduating with honors. She will be pinned by her mother Peggy and father Phil. Mary Claire is interested in critical care nursing. Mai Nguyen. Nope. Shauna Nguyen is from Huntington Beach and is interested in pediatric nursing. She will be pinned by her mom, Danielle, and grandma, Polly. Maikon Nguyenfuk is from the Bay Area and is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her friend, Kiana. Maikon is interested in working in the emergency department. Marissa O'Brien is graduating with honors and will be pinned by her mother Maribel and father Michael. She will be beginning her nursing career on the medical intensive care unit. Ariane Noel Owabel is from San Diego and is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her parents, Aileen and Noel Owabel. Ariane is interested in cardiac nursing. Paige Oberg is passionate about children's health and will be pursuing a pediatric nursing career. She will be pinned by her cousin Libby, a mother-baby nurse at Redlands Community Hospital. Emma Kate Oraz is from Sonoma County and is graduating with honors. She will be pinned by her mother Jeanette and father James. Emma is interested in critical care nursing. Laura Itzel Ortiz Cruz is from San Diego and is being pinned by her mother Laura and aunt Rosalinda. Laura is interested in becoming a labor and delivery nurse. Kelly Osterkamp is from Clayton, California, and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her parents, Tom and Karen. Kelly is interested in ICU nursing. Isabella Osuna is from San Diego and is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her younger sister, Sophia, and mother, Blanca. Isabella is pursuing pediatric nursing. Tatiana Pangagitan is from San Diego and is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Maria, and father, Errol. Kwang Hee Park has graduated with highest honor, summa cum laude, in December. Kwang Hee is currently working as a new grad in the Burn ICU. Neva Cristina Perdomo is a San Diego local and will be pursuing a nursing career caring for women and newborns. She will be pinned by her mother, Griselda, and father, Alfonso. So Alden's not here? Oh. All right. Jezree Ruth Santos Pune? Nope. Eldon. Uh-oh. Let me see. I might have chopped one off, and I don't think so. I know. I'll get it. My bad. I'll get it. Where did they go? Where did my Perez's go? Oh. Sorry about that. Daisy Perez. Okay. Is from the Imperial Valley and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her best friend, Ivan and Leo. Daisy is interested in ER nursing. I had it, I just I went. Ah. Gabrielle Habana Perez is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her father, Elmer, and mother, Malu. Gabrielle is excited for her new chapter of her nursing career. I flipped the page. I got too anxious, I skipped a page. Riley Petty is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Jenny, and father, Alan. Riley is interested in becoming an emergency nurse. Jason Pham is a San Diego native who is graduating with a determined passion for pediatric nurses. He will be pinned by his mom, Trang, and his dad, Michael. But he phonetically did it Michael. Yeah, because that's my own name. I saw that and I was like, oh, all right. But I got his last name right. I got it wrong earlier. Gene Fan. Is from Orange County and is graduating with honors. She will be pinned by her friends Eileen and Deborah. Jean is interested in working in trauma or the ICU unit. Lisa Fan is from San Jose and is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her aunt Chu Hong and father Tin. Now I'm on the Alden. Alden Bulaga Porcades Jr. is graduating with honors. He will be pinned by his parents, Elvie and Alden Porcades. AJ is interested in ICU nursing in the U.S. Navy. Jezreel Ruth Santos Pune is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her parents, mother Josie and father Jerome. She is interested in higher acuity care. Ella Siri Rajula is graduating with highest honors and will be pinned by her mother Lisa and father Willie. Ella is interested in a future in critical care nursing. Sophia Reese is from Marin County and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her brother Oliver. Sophia is interested in labor and delivery. Hannah Amico Roach is from San Diego and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother Elizabeth and her father Evan. Hannah is going into labor and delivery nursing. David Rodriguez is from San Diego and is graduating with high honors. He will be pinned by his mother, Betty Rodriguez. He is interested in neonatal or pediatric nursing care. Ji-Min Ryu is from Honolulu, Hawaii. She is graduating with highest honors and will be pursuing work in psychiatric nursing. She will be pinned by friends Nicole and Ellen. Janelle Miranda Sampol is from San Diego. She will be pinned by her father Jonathan and mother Perlita. Janelle is interested in obstetric nursing. Lucas Santia is graduating with high honors. He is being pinned by his sister Mary, who is a former graduate, and will be stationed at Navy Medical Center, Portsmouth, following completion of Officer Development School. Allison Ree Shepard will be pinned by her boyfriend Christian and younger sister Haley. Allison will be starting her nursing career at Rady Children's Hospital in the emergency department. Anna Seiki is graduating with high honors. She would like to thank her biggest supporters who will be pinning her today, her mom, Jerry, and dad, Stacy. She is interested in pediatric critical care nursing. Jumi Abigail Saylor is graduating with highest honors and will be pinned by parents Tina and Damien. She would like to thank her parents and her family for their love and support. Juliette C. Sate is a transfer student from Fresno, California, graduating with high honors. She is being pinned by her grandparents, Jose and Teresa Aranda. Juliette is interested in pediatric nursing. Ooh, that was a nice slide. You a baseball player? Okay. Kirsten Marin Simone is from Danville, California, and is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Michelle, and her father, Gene. Kirsten is interested in labor and delivery nursing. Jessica Marie Smith is from Chicago, Illinois. She will be pinned by her parents, Timothy and Susan Smith. Jessica is interested in pediatric nursing and hopes to begin her nursing career at Rady's Children's Hospital. Paris Summers is from Napa and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mom, Sherry, and her boyfriend, Zach. Paris is interested in pediatric nursing. Carly Swavely is from San Diego and is graduating with high honors. She is being pinned by her mother, Lauren. Carly will be starting her nursing career in the ICU. Natalie Glaine Dado Tato. I'm sorry, I know. Is from Chula Vista and is graduating with honors. She will be pinned by her mom, Nancy, and dad, Enrico. She is currently a labor and delivery nurse. Ashley Tang is from Los Angeles and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her fellow nursing classmates, Kenneth Vu and Caitlin Dang. Kelsey Kathleen Thompson is from Walnut Creek and is graduating with honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Tracy, and father, Chris. Kelsey will begin her nursing career on 6th North at Sharp Memorial. Leanne Trajano is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her mom and dad. She is looking forward to starting her nursing career. Jenny Tran is from Sacramento and is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by childhood friend Joy and close friend and mentor Kara. Jenny is interested in pediatric nursing. Jasmine Trin is proud and excited to be graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by mom Nina and dad Larry. She is pursuing her dream of pediatric nursing. Patrick Twazan is graduating with high honors. He will be pinned by his mother, Mila, and sister, Ariel. Patrick currently works on the burn specialty care unit at UCSD. Abigail Ularte is from Chico, California. She will be pinned by her mom, Tracy, and her grandmother, Linda. She is interested in critical care nursing after graduation. Alyssa Umamoto is from Corona, California. Her pinners are her mom, Susie, and her dad, Glenn. She is interested in critical care. Shivani Valand is from Anaheim. She will be pinned by her mother, Shilpa, and father, Nimesh. Shivani is interested in becoming an ICU nurse. Kiana Parugao Vicencio is from San Diego and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Grace, and her father, Jeff. Kiana is interested in cardiac nursing. Kenneth Vu is graduating with high honors. He will be pinned by his friends Ashley in Sungbin. Gianna Ward is from Los Angeles and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Gigi, and her father, George. Grandfather.
Well, thank you.
Yes. I skipped the grand. Jessica Halevi Wedworth is from El Dorado Hills, California, and is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by mother Karen, Jessica will start her nursing career in the medical ICU at Sharp Grossmont. Jillian Werelin is from Sacramento and is graduating with honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Debbie, and her father, Jeff. Sarah Wilbur is graduating with highest honors. She'll be pinned by her mother, Laura, and her father, Eric. Sarah is excited to begin her nursing career in neonatal intensive care. Raylyn Wilson. Or wait. It's Heather Willis. I'm skipping. I want this, Heather Willis is from San Diego and graduating with honors. She will be pinned by her older sister, Nicole, and mother, Vicky. Heather is interested in pediatric nursing. Now it's Raylyn Wilson. Is from Sacramento and is graduating with honors. Raylyn is starting her nursing career in the ICU at Scripps Green and hopes to work in women's health down the line as well. Karina Wu is from Los Angeles and is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her fellow graduate and close friend, Myra Mayer. Julia Wood is graduating with high honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Francie, and father, Steve. Julia is interested in pediatric nursing or ER nursing. Angela Milan Yambao is from Diamond Bar, California. They will be pinned by their Tita Nancy and Tito Rico. They are interested in pediatrics and critical care. Nicole Yo is from San Jose and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her parents, Julia and Chow. Yo. Nicole is interested in working with babies. Jenny Yuen is from San Francisco and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her older sister, Judy, and mother, Jennifer. Beatrice Alfred Lumibao Yumul will be pinned by her mom, Eden, and her brother, Mark. They will be relying on the vibes to find out where to go next. Jennifer Eileen Zabalas is from Pleasanton and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her father, Stephen, and mother, Stacy. Jennifer is interested in pursuing pediatric nursing. And last but not least, Michelle Zhang is from LA and is graduating with highest honors. She will be pinned by her mother, Joanna, and boyfriend, Spencer. Michelle is working in the OR at UCLA.
Thank you, Dr. Gates. I want to thank our distinguished guests for attending today. I know it's a very long ceremony, but incredibly special that we have so many family and friends for our students. This is an incredible group of students who are entering a new world of healthcare overshadowed by the COVID pandemic. The nursing profession needs you. It's a crucial time for our profession to unite, to lead and direct new ways of providing care. You leave here as graduates of SDSU School of Nursing and enter the healthcare workforce as alumni of San Diego State. We are so proud of what you have accomplished. Go and provide that. We are SDSU Nursing. I would ask that the audience remain seated as the faculty and students exit the auditorium. We are so incredibly proud of you.